Hello, welcome to my video about dashboards. First of all and most important, the dashboard is not important. If you have a seamlessly integrated smart home, you will find out you don't really need a dashboard. So that's the most important message. To do a visualization, to do a control panel, to do a dashboard, it's technical fun. And for the one who has created the smart home, it may be interesting from a technical point. But the customer, the users of the smart home, they are not interested. And the more they need it, that only means your smart home is not seamlessly integrated. It doesn't work in the background. You need to do something in the foreground. And that usually is not well perceived for the customers and users of a smart home. Therefore, dashboard, not important. Let's get into it. First of all, some definition. Very often I see the headline dashboard, and what follows is actually a visualization. Like this one here, I do have it for my smart home. In the live version, I can click on it, I can turn on and off lights, I can change the heating, I can close the security bar at the front door. All the interactive stuff is available, but I don't use it. Most of the functions are seamlessly integrated into my smart home, and therefore the visualization is nice, but I don't need it. Second item, which is actually useful, is a control panel. For example, we have a tablet PC on a wall, and we can set the mode of the room with a tip of the finger. We can also do it with a voice command, and usually the voice command is easier than using this control panel. Usually on that tablet we have a screensaver showing family photos, like an interactive picture frame. So you need to get out of the screensaver, then need to find the right button here. Voice command much more convenient, and some of the room modes are seamlessly like television. We can set the blinds to the sun mode, the cloud mode, automatic mode or manual mode. We can choose a radio station to be played, and here we have some information about the smart home in total. So control panel to give instruction to the smart home. It is a little helpful, but still usually my experience is voice commands are easier and by my spouse and family much better supported. The next item is what I at least really call a dashboard. The information is the same as here bottom right on the control panel. You see it here horizontally and the same you see here vertically. You see here 7.1 BOFO wind speed. Here you see the same information, 7.1 BOFO, quite strong wind. Still not alarming, but strong. Here you see a weather forecast. So here in the dashboard you can see the fridges are okay, the heating is okay. In the rooms there's something to do, so probably a window needs to be opened or closed. You see internet is okay and the temperature in the server cupboard is okay. The bars are okay, and for wind you see there is a strong wind, so we need to be careful with the blinds. You see weather now and weather forecast in 6 hours from now. So you see where we are and where we are heading to. Down here, rain at chilly 13 degrees Celsius is the same in some easy text. I can show you a little more how the dashboard is working. So that is the standard as above. Figure has changed slightly, but different topic. If you click, for example, here on the rooms, if you select this, you see here it's selected now. Then you see a list of the rooms, you see the temperature, and you see the action which is required. So in living room's house, the window should be closed. So obviously there is a window open and it should be closed. And in the room of my daughter Fiona, the window is open and should be closed. The room is down to 16 degrees. Yeah. It could also be that a room in summer became too hot. It's cold outside, so recommendation would be to open a window. Both is possible. Yeah. Currently it's the other way around. If you click on the wind, a second example, then you get the development of wind speed over time of the day. So there was a peak around lunchtime and now wind speed is going down. And here you see the values in kilometers per hour and in BOFO. What is the average over 10 minutes measurement time and what was the maximum during those 10 minutes. So the last measurement was nearly 12 kilometers per hour average, but 44 kilometers maximum. Yeah. So this is the dashboard, the control panel and the visualization. Technically interesting to do it, technical fun, I fully agree with that, but in the all-day interaction, in spouse approval and family usage, not important. My recommendation is, if you have it, have a look at the items you are using regularly. And for those items, try to seamlessly integrate them into your smart home. And you will find a lot of ideas perhaps in my wiki and the address to my wiki. You may now be a little curious, I hope, you find in my channel. Thank you for listening and watching. See you again soon.